in a top farm. Top farm. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the foods, man, they tell the chef hurry.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. So
Tonight,
yeah, we will be doing the Whisper Challenge. Why we say that in same time?
I don't know.
Alright, so if you guys don't know about the Whisper Challenge, it is where one person has the headphones over their ears, music playing, and we're going to say a word and they're going to try and repeat what we said. So yeah, that's basically it. The person who gets the most wrong is the loser, obviously, duh. So that way we go.
Okay, so we know you guys haven't been a fan of the challenges, but we want to try something different. So I hope you guys appreciate the effort what we're doing for you guys, just to smile, just to feel happy. You know, it's Corona time. Where you're going, you can just stay home and laugh, watch the Gordonz.
Exactly.
So let's just get straight into the video.
Before we get into the video, I'm going to ask you guys to hit that thumbs up button, because the video are nice.
And subscribe to the channel if you're new, and don't forget to click the bell icon and turn post notification on for further updated posts like these.
Thank you, guys. So let's alright, guys, so Kevin's going to go first. We're going to use non-copyrighted music because we're not lucky already.
Yeah.
So we're just going to play non-copyrighted music, so upbeat ones, and we're gonna use those. Alright, so let's go. I'm a savage. I'm a savage.
What?
I'm a savage. I'm a savage.
I'm a savage?
That is too easy, right? I think that's our easy one.
I'm a savage.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. My turn now.
How was your day today?
How is your day today?
No.
You say how was your day today?
No.
Really?
I didn't say that.
What do you say?
It's something similar, but I didn't say it. I say, how was your day today?
How was your day today?
Yeah.
That's easy. That may I hear you, why? You're changing music.
And it's my mouth to be. Put on it. Hold on, man. Alright.
We gonna skip that one though, because me actually hear you.
Go on, put your head. Yeah, you hear me? Next, if you hear me.
You see your mouth a move. You can't read your mouth.
So what me want to say?
Your mouth I say.
What more did I say?
Your mouth. What my mouth I say?
See, you hear me then? Yeah, you hear me then?
If me I hear you.
If you hear me then?
If me I hear you.
Yeah, you hear me then?
You say somebody here.
Yes. If you hear me then?
You say somebody here. We know that for a fact.
If you hear me then?
Yeah, little bit. I can't read more good.
You don't have to work. You don't have to work for them. Tell me carry the lips.
You can't. You see, let me have a talent. What?
Alright, put that in my face.
Your turn.
Put that in my face. Put that in my... Alright, what me I say?
What me I say?
You see you can read lips. You can't have a workout then. Alright. You love me? Next, if you love me.
Yes.
You see, you don't have to work out, people. This is not a
Alright,
workout.
because you talk loud.
Alright. What's your right name?
Rakisha.
Where you live?
Huh?
Where do you live?
BB.
See? I'm a talk soft.
What?
I'm a talk soft.
You talk soft.
You see? You don't have to work out. It's not work. This doesn't work. It doesn't work out.
Alright, let me try with you again. Pulling out the coupon a lot.
What?
Pulling out the coupon a lot.
Who?
Pulling out the coop and the lot.
You don't record.
Wait, put on the back, put on the back, put on the back. Put
You
it
don't
on the
record.
back.
That's
Now my gift. Pulling out the coop and the lot. Pulling out the coop and the lot. You know, make your opportunity.
Yeah. You can't hear it.
Alright, put your back. One more try. Pulling out the coop and the lot.
How much money it costs?
Pulling out the coop and the lot.
Cost. Yo, it be done. Guys, be give up. That is not record for me.
Alright. So, me get one for
No,
price.
Rocky Shah is the winner.
No.
No, in our record.
No, let me try again. Change the music. Change the music. Probably have music. Probably have music.
Alright, listen.
Wait, cause you know what did I say? But they say pulling up. What me say? Pulling up the coupe and the lot. Where that song we go? Tell me, what's
Are you done? Are you done?
This a sound soft, bro.
This is the way it is.
Yo, the bass are jumping at me. Turn up it.
That'll go. You like when we make rhythm?
Say it again?
If you like when we make rhythm. But if you like when we make rhythm.
Go again.
You like when we make rhythm?
If you like rhythm.
Yeah. If you like when we make rhythm.
Yes.
What me say?
If me like when you play rhythm.
Yeah, I make still. But I see it. You know, I'm going to work out for you.
Alright. Give me my next one.
Where you go tomorrow?
We'll be able tomorrow.
Yeah, you hear me?
Me see how much I move. It's like me I feel a vibration.
People listen to my work.
Alright.
Shot cheat.
How?
Me don't know.
Alright, listen, you can't hear music, right? I'm sure you can't hear music. This is loud. So turn up it, please have to turn up it more for me.
It's not that.
Alright.
When you going to make you go to a hotel again? When you going to make you go to a hotel again?
When we are gonna make you go hotel. I got to say for sure.
This story, me say,
Alright, give me some like some tongue twister or something.
I don't know if you do no tongue twister.
Eh?
I don't know if you do no tongue twister.
You don't know if you do a tongue twister?
You see? I'm saying, I don't know if you do no tongue twister. I have to go like so. I don't know if you do no tongue twister.
Yes, do that. No, that's not work.
You can't read this.
That don't make
I'll put that
sense.
over here. Put your over here then. Which month are you born? Which month are you born?
What?
Which month are you born?
Which month I hear your band? That is a picture? I don't know. Probably a bass name by some bribery. I don't know. Alright, you try again.
We can't be a star with this book. We can't be
Alright.
that.
Alright, I'm go. Okay, this stop.
This won't play.
Oh, next one. Oh man, gang. Come.
Hold on.
You can hear
No,
me?
I just the keyboard that play, so no beat no United.
You're in that loud. So that means you can't hear me. Ready?
Eh? What is it?
Ready?
If we're ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm ready now.
Mama loves mambo.
Where I get money from?
Mama loves mambo.
Bamboo. What?
Mama loves mambo. Mama loves mambo.
My love is bamboo. My love is.
Mama loves mambo.
Me nah hear nothing. We can't figure it out. We give up.
No, try again. Try
It
again.
not work for me. It not really. It not really not work for me.
Mambo.
It not work for me.
Mama loves mambo. That's
It
what.
not work for me. And then is it because you want
Alright.
to move funny, so me not get
Oh.
you not erase them directly. We can read the lips.
See, you couldn't hear me say Mama loves mambo.
Me know I say after a while
No.
we figure love.
Oh, you figure you love me.
Yeah, but we can't
Alright,
figure love. We
okay,
can't say
let me tell you.
bamboo.
Let me tell you what you do. Talking now on squeaky voice, I make you move.
Really
Instead of
squeaky
talking in
voice.
your bass voice.
Alright.
You try to make me
Alright.
to throw me off, right?
Who you want me talking in squeaky voice?
Tim, this not right.
What?
You talk loud. You talk over music.
No, you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, go on, put on. How me talk over music? You not hear me none at all?
If you can't hear none at all.
I'm not talk loud, I'm not talk soft.
Because you're not all loud, you talk soft.
So I don't know what problem. You still hear me? You hear me in your head, son?
No, I'm not hear you. I'm just a see your mother.
Yo, are you
Alright, go again.
You're a thief.
Me a thief.
Yeah.
Are you a thief?
So, how you figure out in your talk?
Some about husband. What is it?
You know nothing about husband. What? How you figure out what me I say?
Oh, you figure out your what?
How you figure out what me I say?
Oh, me figure out what you say?
Yeah.
Because me see your mother move.
Okay, so suppose me start moving mode, how you go find out?
What?
Suppose me start moving mode, how you go find out? Suppose me start moving mode, how you go find out?
No, that part is not gonna work. Go again.
Suppose me start moving mode, how you go find out?
Suppose they move your mouth.
Suppose me start moving mode, how you go find out?
Soup. You say soup. Suppose.
What if I start moving my mouth, how will you find out?
Yeah, it's too long.
What if I stop moving?
What if you stop moving?
Yeah. Suppose me start move.
Suppose I stop moving.
This not gonna work out none at all.
In music, look.
It not gonna work out, it not gonna work out none at
I
all.
have a gift.
Yo, people, this not gonna work out none at all. Unfortunately, Rakisha cheat.
I am not, because me not hear you. Me see your mouth, they move. Your mouth move specific.
So if you start talking like that.
Right, me can't see when you say suppose. Me can't see when you say no, when you talk. It's like me know when you talk, right? So certain words with more form, we know.
For me. It's never talk like so. Ah, man. Oh, you know, that's some every talk like so.
No, you can't cover your mouth.
Why you can't cover your
You
mouth?
need no make no pointless.
Then you read the mouth, you get everything right, so you're perfect at it. Unfortunately, Rakisha win this game. Never go find something I'm good at. Never play the whisper challenge.
Hey. Yeah. Yeah, we got African vibes. Alright, so you want to try again?
Not gonna work. You know, make no sense to try it. I not gonna work out. No, at all. I just saw him come
Alright,
class.
guys, so alright, guys, so that is the end of the whisper challenge, and I am the champion. I'm the champion.
Yeah.
It seems as if I have a gift. I can read lips exquisitely.
But if you guys are interested in more challenges and you have ideas in your brain, in your head, in your thoughts, just write them down below in the comment section and let us know, and we'll try them out for you guys.
Of course.
So if you're interested, let us see about 200 likes on this video. We're asking for 200 likes. We have 800 subscribers. We must can ask for 200 likes.
Yeah.
Must.
The subscriber, the views are not reflecting the subscribers.
Yeah, definitely.
And guess what? We know who you are.
Yes.
We know exactly where you live.
And we're senior.
Do not let us pull up on you.
And put that like button in your face.
Period.
So I'm asking you to like this video. Don't forget to comment and tell us what you think, and give us idea more challenges you want us to try, so we can do it. So this is our first time getting into the challenge thing, so the more the better, and the more awesome content for you guys.
Alright, we thank you guys so much for your support on our previous videos, and until next time, we'll see you guys.
Peace.